Hey everyone! Are you in Turkey and Discord just isn't working? Maybe it won't connect, voice chat fails, or your messages won't send? You're not alone. Many users in Turkey face issues with Discord, especially during times when the government temporarily restricts online platforms. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord in Turkey step by step using a safe and working method that solves these problems in just a few minutes. And make sure to check the link in the description to get NordVPN, the tool I personally use. It's one of the few VPNs that actually works in Turkey and helps restore full Discord access. If Discord isn't working properly in Turkey, it's usually because of internet restrictions. The Turkish government has a history of temporarily blocking or throttling apps like Discord, Twitter, and YouTube during protests or political events. Common issues include voice channels not connecting, slow loading or disconnection, app not opening or stuck at login. These problems are often caused by your internet provider limiting access, not Discord itself. To fix this, you need a VPN, Virtual Private Network. A VPN works by changing your IP address so it looks like you're browsing from another country, encrypting your traffic so your ISP can't block or throttle Discord, giving you access to voice, video, screen share, and messaging with no limits. But here's the deal. Not all VPNs work in Turkey. Many are blocked or just too slow. That's why I personally use and recommend NordVPN. It has obfuscated servers designed to beat censorship, high speeds for gaming and video, a 30-day money-back guarantee so it's risk-free to try. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Click the NordVPN link in the description and sign up. Step 2. Choose your plan and create an account. Step 3. Download and install NordVPN on your device. Step 4. Go to Settings, Auto Connect, enable obfuscated servers. Step 5. Connect to a server outside Turkey, like Germany, the Netherlands, or the US. Step 6. Now open Discord, and it should work fully. Voice, text, video, everything. If it still doesn't work right away, try these quick fixes. Switch to another server location. Change VPN protocol to NordLynx or OpenVPN TCP. Restart Discord and your device. Clear the app's cache or reinstall Discord if needed. One of these usually solves the problem immediately. And that's how you fix Discord in Turkey when it's blocked, throttled, or just not working. Use NordVPN with obfuscated servers for full access. Use the link in the description to unlock a special deal and try it with their 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're still stuck or have questions, drop a comment below. I'm here to help. Like the video if it helped you, and don't forget to subscribe for more Discord tutorials that actually work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.